My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 MG ZS. This vehicle was done just over 30,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen we can get quick access to Apple CarPlay, navigation, pictures and video, Bluetooth and radio. If we go into car and into comfort and convenience, we have advanced features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.